The Jacksonville Public Adjusters at the Claim Squad help residents of Jacksonville with their property damage claims and fight insurance companies to get you money needed to repair your damages. We ensure not $1 comes out of your pocket. Did the insurance company say your damages are under your deductible? Did they deny your claim? Hire an expert public adjuster to handle your claim from the start. You deal with Mike Keeler at the Claim Squad. He works for you, not the insurance company. Mike worked for an insurance company before and knows the tricks insurance companies use. He gets your claim settled due to his experience. When you're looking for Jacksonville public adjusters, give Mike a call. He specializes in roof leaks, water damage, hurricanes, and cast iron pipe claims. Mike knows how frustrating home damage is. He had his own claim. The Claim Squad stands with you and prevents insurance companies from taking advantage of you. There are no upfront fees or costs. We only get paid when you get paid. For more information, call Mike at 800-311-5753 or visit www.theclaimsquad.com. The Jacksonville Public Adjusters cannot wait to help you.